What is your emergency?
Can you send a police to 26, 27, because this man took the gun off my hip. He took the gun off my hip, and he's kind of slow. Can you send the police right now?
Okay, you said you're at 27 and Wright?
27 and 11 and Wright at the gas station. He took my gun off my hip.
Right there, look, he's aiming. He's got it. Dave, put the gun down. Drop the gun. Drop the gun. Right now we got him here in the gas station. He's got the gun in his left hand. Dude, sir, get out of here. Drop the gun, sir. Drop the gun, sir. Sir, drop the gun. Sir, drop the gun for me, please. Stay. Sir, stay down. Stay down. Sir, just stay down for me, please. Okay. Still got the gun. Oh, he'll be hit. He's been hit. His gun's still right by him. Yeah, this guy's good. Dave, he's bleeding out. All right, we're moving into recovery. We're gonna need medical ASAP.